This week I bought this Simpex M200 BI studio light. Let's see the unboxing and setup video. Here you can see some key features. So it's a AC power supply light. We need to connect this light to the AC power supply, the wall socket. It's not a battery operated device. Let's see the unboxing. So, let's remove the main unit. Just casually pull. It comes. Here comes the AC wire cord. So looks branded because they mentioned the voltage and current withstand capacity of the cable. So here also it's mentioned. So I think it's a solid quality. Here it's mentioned the brand name. Yeah, I think it works good. And the remote controller. Okay, we have the battery too. AAA size battery, 2 numbers. And okay, here is the manual. You can read those things. Okay, I just remove the cover. Here we go. This looks awesome. It looks like we bought something from the Marvel franchise. Amazing. And the reflector with bowens. Let's set up this thing. Okay, the remote is ready. So the very first thing you need to do is you need to remove the light cover. Here you can see the opens. On one side you can see this needle like thing. So you can clearly see that. What you have to do is you just take one sharp object like this and just press this to downwards and remove the cup. So it's just a cover to protect the COB light, which means the LED light. You need to press and rotate in anti-clockwise direction. So just like that. Now take the reflector and connect like this. Press and rotate. That's it, it's locked. So this is how it works. It's a lock mechanism. Now take the power cord. It's so long. So it's a 10 feet AC cord. So the wire length is 10 feet. You just plug this on this end right here and connect this on wall socket. There you go. It's already started working. If you long press this, it will turn off the light. This is on off switch and also the brightness adjustment switch, and this is color adjustment switch. You know that this is for AC power supply to power the device. Let's check this. So the thing is, you need to buy a stand like this. I'm using Digitech. You can buy any brand. I will give the product link, Amazon link in the description, all products link. And before you set up this thing, you need to loosen this first, just like that, and make this straight, and again tight this one thing. That's it. Now loose this screw and mount this on the tripod, the light stand. First loose this completely, and this will fit like this. So it will fit solid like this, and then tighten this thing. Okay, it's enough. It's done. Now connect the cord on the AC wall socket. So now you can clearly see how powerful this device is. You can use the remote to turn off and turn on the studio light. Using this effects option, we can change the default mode like this. So this is about setup, and this is not a complete studio setup. We need to buy this soft box. I already ordered this soft box and this honeycomb grid. It 900 rupees and this is 2400. So I will give the product links in the description. It's Amazon link, and that's it for now.